This 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, leveling jacks, TV, microwave, spare tire kit, external shower, Colorado Detector, oven, air conditioning, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15RB is 3,594 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.